I was beyond excited when the MagSafe charging platform for iPhones was first released. The magnetic array used for mounting items meant I could not only charge my phone wirelessly, but I could mount custom items onto my phone, and I could mount anything to any other thing with a unified design language. But the problem became that there weren't a lot of ways to make objects mountable to this magnetic array. There were some magnetic stickers, but they weren't strong enough for many of the mounting applications I was interested in. That led me to develop 3 basic design elements to make practically anything mountable to this magnetic array. The first design element is this, the magical holder. I engineered it to secure anything that fits with MagSafe charger dimensions. The compliant mechanism inherent in the design is strong enough to hold items firmly in place long term. No glues or adhesives are needed. It also features a push tab to allow easy removal. Just press firmly and pop out your device. But what if you want to mount something and don't want or need to charge? In comes the second design element, the magical ring. Its magnetic array allows for aligned magnetic attachment to items with the correct matching magnetic array or a ferromagnetic interface like a simple metal ring. It fits right into the magical holder, and to hold especially heavy items, it has a small ridge around the puck's diameter that locks into place. A complementary part of the magical ring is an adhesive-backed steel ring or an adhesive-backed magnetic array you can attach to items as varying as a tablet, a mirror, or headphones. These steel rings are available at plenty of sites and they're easy to apply. While the magical ring and the metal ring do allow you to securely mount items, they do not charge. Just like other MagSafe platforms, docked devices can be rotated on the magical ring for portrait or standby or landscape modes. The third design element is a simple, stable hinge you can adjust by pushing a tab and rotating the hinge. And the hinge center is hollow, reminiscent of K2SO's joints, just because I thought it was a cool looking design feature. This is so the cable can be stowed easily when using MagSafe chargers, but not when it's actually charging. In some applications, cabling can be snaked through the joints for a cleaner look. Applied together, I call these design elements the magnificent platform. And with this platform, I was able to do some things I'm excited to share. Check them out in my montage. Over a series of videos, I'll be going over the designs I showed in the montage. I'll also show new designs as I mature the magnificent platform, add features, think of new applications, and create new integrations. If you'd like to see them, please like and subscribe. If you have any other applications or integrations, please put them in the comments below. I'd be excited to have a dialogue about functional design and 3D printing. And if you hate the designs, feel free to critique them. In fact, feel free to share them with Gabe at Slant3D so he can critique them. Gabe, just don't call my designs stupid unless you call them stupid awesome, okay? In the future, I'll be giving away prints of these designs, and I'll be sending some to subscribers to critique and to give user feedback. Additionally, I'll be having a 3D printer giveaway. Stay tuned. Also, there will be shenanigans. Stay tuned for the shenanigans, big and small. Thank you for your time and interest, and I hope to see you next time. I'm guessing you were wondering if I was going to address the claim I made in the thumbnail. Well, it's true. One of the inventors of MagSafe is named Kanye Lim. If you type his name into the Google, Kanye Kim results show up, and I don't know what that's referring to. But anyway, according to the Google's AI overview, Kanye Lim is an academic researcher at Apple Incorporated. He has 4 published articles and 935 citations. I posted a link to the MagSafe patent below, and while it's not exactly a page scroller, it's cool to see the history and the prior art for this cool technology. Told you there'd be shenanigans.